if x upon y equals to 11 upon 8, find the value of 5 upon 7 plus y minus x plus y upon x. Sorry, y minus x upon y plus x. Here there are two methods. One is the method given in the books. So I'll give you that first. X upon y equals to 11 upon 8. So 5 upon 7 plus y minus x upon y plus x equals to, what we do is y, take y common from both. So 5 upon 7 as it is plus y common. 1, this becomes 1, minus this becomes x upon y because we have taken y common. So it will be denominator 1 y will come, because if you multiply this, y into 1 is y into x upon y is x. So this same expression comes over here. Similar logic over here. Y into 1 plus x upon y. Now y gets cancelled. So 1 minus x upon y upon 1 plus x upon y. 5 upon 7 as it is. So 5 upon 7 as it is now. Solve this. 8 ones are and minus 11. So 8 minus 11 upon 8. Similarly 8 plus 11 upon 8. Solve this again. 5 upon 7 plus minus 3 upon 8 upon 19 upon 8. 8 gets cancelled. See here it's like this. A upon B upon C upon D. This is like this. Equals to D comes over here. AD upon BC. So this becomes what? 5 upon 7. This plus and minus. Is there any other minus sign over here? No. So plus minus minus. It becomes minus over here. So AD upon BC. 3 into 8 upon 19 into 8. 8 gets cancelled. So it becomes 3 upon 19. 5 upon 7 minus 3 upon 19. So LCM of 7 and 19 now. There is no common number between 7 and 19. So it will be direct multiplication. 19 sevens are 133. So convert this. 7 into 19. So 5 into 19, 95. 19 into 7. So 3 into 7, 21. 95 minus 21 is 74 upon 133. This cannot be divided further. So this as it is. Now this is a long method. It's given in the books. Now I'll give you the fast method. What is given? X upon y equals to 11 upon 8. Take x equals to 11 and y equals to 8 and put it in this expression given. Input x equals to 11, y equals to 8 in the given. So 5 upon 8 plus this y minus x, 8 minus 11 upon y plus 11, 8 plus 11. So it becomes minus 3 upon 19 over here. 5 upon 7 plus minus minus. So 5 minus 3 upon 19. See this same expression. You directly skipped everything over here. So it becomes again the same logic. 95 minus 21 by 133, 74 by 1.